pint-sized battle robot packs enough power to knock you out. Pilot Labs, a Chinese robotics company perhaps best known for making cute robots under its Moorebot banner, is shifting gears with its newest entry, the Zeus battle robot. Zeus is a 35.5 centimeters, 14-in tall mechanical pugilist weighing in at a trim 2.2 kilograms, 4.8 pounds. Designed for robot fighting enthusiasts, it features 22 metal-geared servo motors. It's fully articulated, customizable, and capable of generating 25 kg, 55 pounds, of force in a single punch. According to Jun Ye, CEO of Pilot Labs, the 25 kg per servo motor punch makes this the most competitive fighter robot in the world. If my hand takes Zeus punch, it really hurts. Zeus might even be too strong for most of the robot competition right now. Robot fighting is awesome. Also, Zeus represents a modernization of the traditional BattleBot product. Current incarnations support fully customized combat programming. It'll ship with some pre-built moves, but owners can create their own battle maneuvers using a graphical programming interface. Future editions of Zeus will ship with voice control, which means pilots may be able to eschew controllers and simply shout out commands like Zeus, execute dance fight routine number 7. Or, something cool. Purchasers of the Zeus will even get design specifications that will allow them to create and print their own 3D armor. There's no word yet on an exact release date, but Pilot Labs is showing off Zeus at CES 2018. It looks like there will be several versions including a 14 kg servo model, a 22 kg servo model, and a 32 kg servo model. As far as pricing goes, the company says, designed for serious gamers and robot fighting enthusiasts, the retail price for the 14 kg punch force version will be about $1,600. You can get more information at the Moorebot website here. For more CES 2018 news, check out our page here, and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram,